Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you saw my last video where I showed you how to edit videos on CapCut for PC, then you already know what's coming next. Yup, as promised, today we are diving into CapCut Mobile. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. I'll walk you through all the steps you need to start editing amazing videos right from your phone. Super easy, super fun, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to create awesome content wherever you are. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Starting from the beginning, we need to install the CapCut app first. In this case, I'm using an iOS device, but it's also available on Android. From the App Store, search for CapCut. Since I already have it installed on my device, I'll simply open it. This is what the CapCut interface looks like on the mobile app. From the lower left corner, select Edit, and this interface will appear. To start editing a new video, we need to create a new project and allow full access to our gallery. Then, go to the gallery and select the desired clips you want to edit. For this video, I need these 4 clips, so I'll select them and hit the Next button. This will bring us to the timeline where we'll be editing the video. Let's take a look at the features on this page. On the upper right side, we have the Resolution Controller button and the Export button. Below that are all the editing features CapCut offers, including editing clips, editing audio, overlays, effects, filters, and many more. There's also a caption button, which allows us to add captions. Then comes the aspect ratio option, filters, adjust settings, and other tools. Stickers are also available here. If you select a clip, the main menu settings change, as you can see. Here we have the split clip option, speed adjustment, animation effects, and many more features, which we'll cover throughout the video if needed. I'll skip them for now. First of all, as you can see, there's a setting called aspect ratio. If you tap on that, you can choose the aspect ratio you want to work with. They also have templates, like the 16:9 aspect ratio commonly used for YouTube videos. You'll notice the overlay automatically adjusts to match. For this video, I'll be using the 9:16 ratio, which is perfect for Instagram Reels and TikTok. Once selected, you'll see all your clips displayed side by side. You can reorder them based on your preference. Now that the clips are in the right order, let's talk about adjusting them. To trim a clip, first select it. You'll see sliders on the left and right. Drag them to the exact point you want to start or end. We need to trim the ending part as well. For this section, we'll end our video here. You can simply do that by dragging the right edge of the clip to the desired point. Alternatively, you can use the split tool. Just move the playhead to where you want to trim the video. Now, as you can see, there's a split button on the lower left side. Tap it, and the clip will be split at that point. Since you no longer need the extra part, you can hit delete, and that section will be removed. Now, your clip is ready as you intended. With our clip trimmed, it's time to add audio. Tap Add Audio. You can record audio, convert text to speech, or extract audio from any video directly in CapCut. There are also built-in sound effects. And under the Sounds tab, you can upload any audio file you already have for your video. To do this, just select From Device to upload your own audio. However, for this video, I'll be using a built-in CapCut sound. Since I'm creating a motivational video, I'll type in motivational background in the search bar. Once you find the sound you like, tap the plus button to add it to your timeline. You'll see the audio appear on the timeline where you can drag and adjust it as needed. Now that the video is trimmed and audio is added, let's move on to the next feature to make your video more engaging: transitions. Between each clip, you'll see a small button. This is where you can add transitions. Tap on it and browse through the many free transitions CapCut offers. The ones with a diamond icon are part of the paid version. For this video, I will use a basic flash transition. Once applied, you can preview it and also adjust the transition duration using the slider. For this one, I'll set it to 0.5 seconds. Next, let's add text overlays to each clip. Since this is a motivational video about early rising, we'll use text to emphasize the message. Tap Add Text and type your script. For the first clip, I'll add, "Most people are still sleeping." Once the text is added, you can drag to reposition it and resize it. I recommend breaking it into 2 lines for better visual balance. Now let's choose a font. I'm using Rubik because it looks clean, bold, and modern. You can also explore text styles, add stroke effects, and pick from various color options to make your text stand out. I'll choose a black stroke and adjust its width to make it look right. Next, let's look at text effects. There are many, but I won't use any for this clip. Now, let's set the animation. Under the Animation tab, you can choose how the text appears and exits. The animation controls how the text pops up. I'll use something like typing. This one is not looking so good, so let's try another one. That looks nice. You can use the slider to adjust animation duration. 0.5 seconds is good. For the out animation, I'll use fade out. There are also options like bubbles for dialogue and presets that can be saved and reused. I'm done with this part, so I'll save it. Now that the text is added, let's preview the video. At this point, I think the rest of the video isn't needed, so I'll trim it. Now, let's move on to the next text. I want the text style to stay consistent across clips, so I'll duplicate the previous one. There's a duplicate button, tap it, and the text is copied. Drag it to the next clip. This way, all formatting is retained. Now just edit the content. For this clip, I'll add the text. But you are already building your future. Let's check how it looks. The out animation is a bit too fast. The red marker shows it's happening early. I'll drag it to 0.5 seconds to match the others. Save it again. Now the text looks much better. We'll repeat this for the rest of the clips. Moving on, our audio and text are added successfully. Since this is a motivational video, I'd like someone to speak the text. CapCut has a great text-to-speech feature. First, select the text and find the text-to-speech option. I'll use a voice called Sam. You can pick whichever you prefer.
Most people are still sleeping.
You can also adjust the speech speed by double-clicking and using the slider. I'll stick with the default and add it. The speech is now added.
Most people are still sleeping.
But I want it to start a little later. So I'll drag it to the middle of the clip. Repeat the same for the other clips. Now that all the text is done, let's review the edited video and make sure everything looks good.
Most people are still sleeping. But you're already building your future. Discipline looks like this. Every morning is a chance to get ahead. Win your mornings.
As you can see, the audio needs a bit of adjustment. I'll increase the video length slightly to match the audio. Now everything looks complete.
Most people are still sleeping.
Tap on the cover button to set a thumbnail. You can choose one from the video, your gallery, or use a CapCut template. You can also add text to the thumbnail. CapCut even lets you connect with the Hypic app to design your thumbnail, but you'll need that app installed. For now, I'll skip this part and stick with the current cover. Everything is checked, so let's hit the export button. The video will be exported automatically without a watermark. From there, you can share it directly on any platform or simply tap Done, and the video will be saved to your gallery. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about editing videos on CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you out even a little, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn in the next video. And if you want to learn how to edit videos using CapCut on PC for beginners, definitely go check out my last video on this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating and stay awesome.